want to look at these inequalities here and how to solve it very quick. So here, obviously, we have to change the mixed fraction into improper. So we have 8x minus 3 on 2 minus 10x minus 6 on 4 minus 12x minus 1 on 12 greater than or equal to, this is 48. 12 by 4 is 48, so plus 1, you get 49 on 12. That is, the work is like this. We have 12 by 4 plus 1 on 12. So this is 48 plus 1 on 12. That is how to convert to improper. Now, the LCM, obviously, the LCM of 2, 4, 12, and 12, that will be 12. So now we use it to multiply. So we have 12 by 8x minus 3 on 2, then minus is 12 by 10x minus 6 on 4 minus 12 by 12x minus 1 on 12, and greater than or equal to 12 by 49 on 12. So 2 here 1 to go to this, that is 6, and 4 here 1, 4 into 12, that is 3. Then 12 cancel 12, 12 cancel 12. So we left 6. We have 8x minus 3 minus 3, 10x minus 6. And here, what we left outside the bracket is 1. As here 1, 1. So we have 12x minus 1 greater than or equal to, that is 49 by 1, that will be 49. So you expand it, you get 6, 8, 48x minus 6, 3, 18 minus, this is 30x. Then negative by negative will give you positive, so 3, 6, 18. Then minus, this is 12x. Negative by negative, that is what? Positive, so plus 1 by 1 is 1. Greater than or equal to 49. Right. So from here, you can group like terms. We have 48x minus 30x minus 12x. Then greater than or equal to, we have 49 already on the right side. So we have this minus 18, that will be plus 18. Then we have plus 18. When it comes to the right side, it becomes minus 18. Then we have 1 here. So that also, when it comes to the right side, becomes what? Negative. That's when it transfers to the right side. Alright. So this will give you 18. So we have 18x minus 12x greater than or equal to, this will cancel out, that is 18 minus 18, that is 0. Then we have 49 minus 1, that is 48. So now 18x minus 12x, that will give you 6x and 6x. So greater than or equal to 48. Then divide through by the coefficient of x. So you have 6x on 6 greater than or equal to 48 on 6. This cancel this. 6 into 48, that is 8 times 6, 8, 48. So you have x greater than or equal to 8. And since they are talking about true sets, you put your answer in brackets. So true set. x is such that x is greater than or equal to 8. Right, so that is the answer there.